I don't know. I'm like, well, I said, Courtney, if he's not a friend, or he's not somebody like you're dating, you're better off either not going, or getting another 2 or 3 girls to go, blah, blah. I said, if you go with him, I'll come up and I'll, that's what I told her. I said, if you ask that guy you're telling me is weird. So anyway, I am pleasantly surprised.
Back in the food.
I got it recorded too.
She's alright. She'll eat it.
That's her.
So my sister has a friend.